Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The ROVE R2-4K dashcam versus the REDTIGER dashcam.
Get ready for some high-quality footage and advanced features.
Let's dive in. When it comes to video quality, both these dashcams pack a punch.
The ROVE R2-4K dashcam offers stunning 4K Ultra HD recording.
With its revolutionary super night vision technology, you'll capture clearer footage, even in low light conditions.
On the other hand, the REDTIGER dashcam records in 4K plus 1080p resolutions, ensuring you don't miss any important details on the road.
Its superior night vision and HDR's WDR technology make sure you can see everything clearly. It's a tough call, but both cameras excel in video quality.
Let's talk about connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K dashcam comes with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to view and manage your recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices.
You can even download your 4K videos directly to your smartphone and share them on social media with ease.
Meanwhile, the REDTIGER dashcam offers Wi-Fi Smart App control.
Just connect it to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and use the REDTIGER app to view, playback, and manage the dashcam. You can also download and edit videos right from the app.
Both cameras offer convenient connectivity options, but the choice depends on your preference. GPS functionality is essential for many drivers, and both these dashcams have got you covered.
The ROVE R2-4K dashcam has built-in GPS, accurately recording your driving location and speed. You can view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or their GPS player.
Similarly, the REDTIGER dashcam also has a built-in GPS that records your driving route, real-time speed, and location. You can track it on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or their Windows and Mac GPS player. No matter which one you choose, you'll have additional evidence if an accident occurs.
Now, let's talk about the additional features that make these dashcams stand out.
The ROVE R2-4K dashcam boasts state-of-the-art technology, including a built-in supercapacitor, f1.5 apertures, parking mode, motion detection, a wide-angle lens, and loop cycle recording.
It supports up to a whopping 512 GB micro SD card for all your recording needs.
On the other hand, the REDTIGER dashcam offers reliable features for accident recording, such as loop recording, collision video lock, and a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse function.
It's important to note that you'll need a hardware kit for the parking monitor.
Both cameras have their unique set of features, so choose according to your preferences.
The ROVE R2-4K dashcam and the REDTIGER dashcam go head-to-head in this comparison.
Whether you prioritize video quality, connectivity, GPS functionality, or additional features, both cameras have their strengths.
Remember to consider your specific needs and budget before making a decision.
And there you have it, folks.
The ROVE R2-4K dashcam and the REDTIGER dashcam go head-to-head in this comparison.
Whether you prioritize video quality, connectivity, GPS functionality, or additional features, both cameras have their strengths.
Remember to consider your specific needs and budget before making a decision. Thanks for watching this episode of Buy Smart.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest comparisons. See you next time.